Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular choices for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the Sunnyscopa Waterslide Decal paper for laser printers. If you're looking to personalize your tumblers, glasses, mugs, or any smooth surface with custom designs, this might just be your new favorite tool. Stick around as we explore what makes this product stand out. Sunnyscopa is renowned for its high-quality decal papers, and this one is no exception. Designed specifically for laser printers, it allows you to effortlessly transfer your designs onto various surfaces, from ceramics to glass and even candles. Let's talk about what sets this decal paper apart. It's known for its exceptional adhesion and durability, making it suitable for both personal projects and professional use. The paper itself is easy to use. Simply print your design, apply it to your desired surface, and seal it with acrylic spray for long-lasting results. It's versatile too. Whether you're creating unique gifts for loved ones or adding a personal touch to your business products, Sunnyscopa has you covered. With over 30 years of experience in crafting decal papers, Sunnyscopa has perfected their formula to ensure vibrant colors and sharp details in your prints. Their commitment to quality means you can expect tear-resistant, smudge-proof decals that maintain their integrity over time. Now, let's walk through the application process together. Start by selecting or creating your design on your computer. Print the design onto the Sunnyscopa Waterslide Decal paper using your laser printer. Remember, inkjet printers won't work for this type of paper. Once printed, trim around your design to remove any excess paper. Next, immerse the decal in water briefly to release the adhesive backing. Carefully apply the decal onto your chosen surface, smoothing out any bubbles or wrinkles. After it dries, seal the decal with an acrylic spray to protect it from wear and tear. To wrap up, if you're looking to elevate your DIY projects or add a personalized touch to your business offerings, the Sunnyscopa Waterslide Decal paper for laser printers is an excellent choice. Its versatility, ease of use, and reliable performance make it a favorite among creators worldwide. Have you tried this product before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.